Wednesday, July the 17th, 4:57 p.m.
And well, I'm just T-minus 17 hours to when I need to be ready for essentially 21 days of cruising. My ride leaves at 11 a.m. tomorrow, and I'm so far from being ready. So I guess this will be an adventure, a last-minute cruise packing adventure. Sounds fun. Let's go.
First stop, Imperial Cleaners.
I don't think it's a secret to any cruiser that, well, having clothes is kind of essential when it comes to cruising. So we're starting to build the foundation of the clothes. I am in charge of picking up the protein for tonight's dinner while my wife, the lovely Jenny B, is making the sides. So I'm just going to pick it up. I don't have time to cook anything. I still got a lot to do. So off to get the protein.
Ain't no thing like a chicken wing.
This is what rush hour traffic looks like in Spring Hill, Florida. Look how crazy it is. Oh, no, okay, it's not that bad. You just don't see traffic here that much, except like in the morning, there's a rush hour, and now here we are at 5:30, so it kind of makes sense. All right, I'm home. Let's see if I can sneak in without anybody knowing. So much for my surprise. Ooh. Green beans for the side. $6:29, I'm back at the office. I've got a Zoom call at 7. I've got a live stream at 8. And then when I get home, we get back to the packing. All right, 2 hours later, it's time for the packing adventure to continue. I did order some new cruise stuff from Amazon Prime Days, whatever the thing's called. And I noticed that a couple of those have arrived. So yeah, let me get to the house and we'll start putting this all together. $6:38 a.m. and well, I didn't get much more done than some laundry last night. So what do we got? 4.5 hours till my ride leaves. All right, 8 a.m. straight up and down. 3 hours until my ride arrives. Still got a lot to do. Let me show you this. Finally retired my old luggage, and so for Prime Day, I got a new suitcase and I got a new backpack. So I guess it's new luggage day. I think finally I've got all of the clothes together. Let me give you a rundown of what I'm taking clothes-wise. All right, so I've got 2 swim shirts. I think I have 8 white t-shirts, 4 or 5 colored t-shirts, 10 pairs of underpants, 6 pairs of shorts, 3 pairs of long pants. Got a couple of my Boston Scally hats. I really need to get a beach type hat. Maybe I'll do that in Cocoa today. 2 swim trunks, got 8 button-up shirts, a variety of socks, and here's going to be the shoe layout. Boat shoes, Sperry's. I got those to wear kind of at dinner, and then if I want to, look more fancy, I could go leather boat shoes. And then I tell you what, I just got these New Balance 608s for walking. Chef's kiss. Those shoes They're 4EE. I have a lot of trouble finding wide shoes. These are some of the most comfortable shoes. I will probably wear these shoes most of the time, but I got options. And the medication and the toiletries also almost ready for the suitcase. And I show you this just so you know that I did not forget the sunscreen. Oh, we're getting close. Here is the tech setup. We've got the new backpack that we've never loaded before, which is exciting. Got some noise canceling headphones, tripod. We've got a cell phone gimbal that's got some AI sensor. That's new, Prime Day. Got to learn how to use that today. Got a MacBook Pro, iPad, good old fashioned paper journal. Got a power bank. We've got a memory card reader, speaker. This is accessories for the DJI Pocket 3, including a microphone. This is another set of wireless microphones, some screen cleaners. We got the selfie stick for the Insta360, 4TB hard drive, 4TB hard drive, all the wires that's needed to make it all happen. Got 2 passports, of course, my travel passport, and of course, the Lego passport. AirPods, carabiner, multi-connector for all the USB type connections, memory card holder, power bank that powers or wall charger that does the laptop, and 140 watt charger with 2 regular plugs, 2 USB-A's, 2 USB-C's. It's probably my favorite piece of tech. And then I've got multi-tool, AirTag, screen cleaner. That's the tech. And I guess the final pieces of the setup, I've got my CPAP machine. I've gotten a new extension cord that's supposed to be cruise approved. I've got my little crossbody when I go out to port. Then I'm gonna take a couple Lego sets along with some Ziploc bags so that I can get them home in case I have time. I try to get all that in this little bag. This bag's pretty cool though. It's got a pocket for a portable battery, and then you can charge right through the top of it, which is cool. What do we got? An hour and 19 minutes. Still got a shower. And just like that, I'm ready to go. A full 26 minutes to spare. What'd you say? Brucey?
Mike just texted, it's gonna be closer to 12.
Oh, closer to 12. Well, at least I'm ready.